Hello children, today let's draw a caterpillar drawing using basic shapes, and in the sequel drawing let's draw a butterfly drawing. Let's grab a pencil and start drawing. First of all, we need to draw a circle for the face. So this is a circle. We'll draw two eyes and one smiley mouth. Now let's just draw more circles, where we will use just half of the circle and half we'll erase afterwards. This is just to get the right shape of the caterpillar's body. So this downward part we are going to use. This is just one line so that we know in which direction we need to move. More circles back to back. We'll create more half circles. Like this, we'll get the body of the caterpillar. As we move forward, we are just decreasing the size of the circles, half circles. Let's create some legs and two antennas. One leaf on which the caterpillar is lying. Now this drawing is complete. Children, let's just erase out extra lines that we don't need in the drawing and which was just to get the right shapes. Now using a black marker, we will trace it. We have to go slow and make sure we are tracing right on top of the pencil sketching. For the antennas, I'll use a fine tip marker. First, I'll just erase out all these extra lines which is visible. Now this caterpillar drawing is complete. We will start coloring. I'm using a marker here, markers for coloring purpose. You can use any other color like crayons or oil pastels or pencil colors or markers. So let's use light green for the face of the caterpillar. I'm using the strokes in same direction so that it's uniform and is neat. All the strokes are aligned in the same direction. Alternately, we can use yellow color for the body of the caterpillar. So one green, one yellow, and then green and then yellow will be following that pattern. Let's again use green and yellow. Again green. It's always good to do a border just below, beside the outline so that we can color freely and in speed. Let's color alternately with green, leaving one, and afterwards we can use the yellow for the remaining. For the antennas, we can use dark green and orange for the cheeks. Now let's use another shade of green for the leaf. So first I'll do outline and then I'll fill colors in all the spaces. This border helps us to color freely, and we are not very conscious that our strokes may go out of the space. So let's simply fill the colors everywhere on the leaf. So children, this caterpillar drawing is complete. Now as caterpillar turns into butterfly, let's draw a butterfly drawing in the sequel. So again, we'll just draw a circle for the face of the butterfly. One smiley. Now we just need to draw one line in the middle, leaving some space both the sides. We'll draw these curved lines meeting at the bottom point, both the sides. In the same way we have to do it. Now let's erase this middle line and we'll draw these curved lines, maintaining same space. Now let's draw the wings. Both the sides it should be symmetric. That means both the sides it should be same in the size and shape. Now the downwards, again symmetric both the sides. We can add some designs in the middle portions now. Some circles, small and big, and some layers of designs, and the antennas. So the butterfly drawing is almost complete here. Let's draw some flowers and grasses at the bottom. Some leaves, some grasses. You can draw different kind of flowers from your choice. Using loopy line, there is a swirl and some leaves. So this drawing is almost complete now. Using a marker, we will now trace it as we did in the caterpillar drawing. Now children, the tracing is complete, so we'll start coloring it. Let's use yellow for the face of the butterfly. Let's use yellow alternately and green for the body. We'll just erase out all these visible lines and then we will continue coloring. We will alternately use yellow and green here as we did in the caterpillar. Now children, let's just use any bright and beautiful colors everywhere for the butterfly and flowers. So we just have to make sure that we are using same color both the sides, on both the wings, on both the sides because this is a symmetric drawing. That means it's same both the sides. So I'm using pink this side. So on that shape, other side also we will be using pink. I'll suggest you can use any color of your choice and not just copy the same. So let's enjoy and go with the flow, and let's fill it up with all the bright and beautiful colors. So here the butterfly drawing and coloring is complete. Now let's color the flowers and the leaves and the grasses. So students, the coloring is complete. Now let's just draw some distant clouds in the background and let's color them. Also, let's add some distant birds flying in the background. So students, our caterpillar drawing and the butterfly drawing is complete. I hope you have enjoyed doing it as I did. Stay looped in for more art and craft videos. Thank you.